Custom Securities on YCharts is the ideal tool for uploading supplemental data to your account, such as fixed income proxies, delisted securities, or other holdings for a model portfolio. Simply upload an Excel file using our handy template and choose the levels or returns most applicable to your custom security. Expense ratios or yields can also be added for use within portfolio calculations. The Custom Securities tool is also capable of continuing data beyond the last recorded performance date. Once uploaded, Custom Securities can be leveraged across YCharts. You can pull up a custom security in a fundamental chart, insert it as a model portfolio holding, or bring it into a data table, such as comp tables or time series analysis. This tool is also helpful for building out securities not available in YCharts, which can be great for explaining narratives to clients and prospects. Lastly, custom securities can also be shared with colleagues via the Share with Group feature to save time creating and better facilitate sharing insights across your team. To try out custom securities for yourself, take advantage of a personalized product demo or start a free trial of YCharts today.